What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Let's spend a little time today with the babies. As in Zuru 5 Surprise, my mini baby. We're still on Series 1, and I think I have almost a complete collection. All I am missing is the pink stroller. These were $7.99 at Target. I don't think this is a pink stroller because I can see that the cushion is yellow with polka dots. But I also got a diaper, yay, and a cute little teething ring. I'm certain this bag is the bouncer that goes with the cushion. Done. And our baby is in need of a diaper. Done. Then we can put the baby in the bouncer, which is one of the pieces that are perfectly sized for our 1/6 scale dollhouse. But I wouldn't mind a high chair. I have an idea I want to try out. Not sure if it's gonna work. Using a plastic bottle, lightly sketch a square in the bottom corner, then very carefully cut it out. Before cutting through the bottom of the bottle, I added a small rectangle. Not sure if we're going to need it, but we can always remove it later. I can't get all the printing off with nail polish remover, but a little light sanding seems to work. And remember to always be safe when crafting, because we are sanding plastic. The idea is that we're going to just cut out a little notch so it can just slide onto the edge of the table. If we put a baby inside, we can see that we still have a lot of room. So I start cutting away to even out the lines. I took the sides down a little so I could carve a small backrest. This piece in the center, let's bend it forward or up to be a guard to stop the babies from sliding forward. Place it next to our dollhouse table. Let's make a little mark so we know where to cut a small notch so the chair can slide onto the table. After cutting both sides, make sure it can fit and stay. Yay! However, it is leaning back just a little. Maybe we can use this to help stabilize it. Cut it down just a little so it will be able to fit under the table, and add another point to help it stay secure. Can it hold the baby's weight? Let's put the baby inside and yeah! Not too bad. The baby can totally sit at the table with the family. Let's go back to the bottle and cut a small piece from the other side. I'm just cutting a small piece of the other corner. That's about the same height as the sides. Let's cut a small notch out of the flat side with no lip to make a tray for the baby. We might be able to glue that in place. I added a little hot glue. It might look better on the outside, so I cut a second but longer tray. Then make a cut on the side, like right in the corner, round the ends. Then place it on the outside. And we're gonna just lift the seat a little so it slides over the top of the tray. We can glue the tray to the seat if we like, but mine is holding, even without the glue. Let's take fabric, cut a piece of paper to make a pattern. We can cut out of felt, cover it with fabric that you can glue or sew on. I'm choosing to glue mine. Once covered, place the cushion into the chair. I'm gluing everything in place so it doesn't move, using a little hot glue. Then let's take the top edge and we're gonna flip it over and glue it down to secure the cushion. Hopefully it still fits on the table, and yeah! Now we have a quick high chair for the babies. If you don't want to see this little edge right here, we can always distract the eye with a bottle or a sippy cup. I cut a strip of cotton fabric, brush it with a clear drying glue. I'm using tacky glue, then allow it to dry. I placed mine over a pen, hoping that it will dry with a little bit of a curve. While waiting, let's open another baby. I think this one has a slight rattle, which makes me think it might have a stroller. But remember, it's a light rattle, so I could totally be wrong. I got 3 bags. with the first one being a changing table. That is totally not a stroller. The cushion is yellow, which we can place on top. We did get another yellow blanket, yellow headband, and a baby. Since the new baby didn't come with a diaper, we're just gonna put the headband on the first baby. My fabric is pretty much dry and it's still flexible. So I fold it in half and cut kind of an egg shape, then fold it in half again and cut a neck hole, cut the top so it opens to make a bib that can just wrap around the babies. We can take it a step further with embroidery thread, glue it around the edge with more tacky glue, and allow it to dry. To finish a super easy no-sew bib. This is a great way to use scraps of fabric, and I dried my bib on a spare baby to make sure I got curves over the shoulders. To make our high chair, I think we can use pretty much any type of bottle. This was face wash with stickers that can be easily removed. Using the same instructions, we cut a corner to get our chair shape. This bottle has a little recess on the bottom, so let's cut our tray so we can place it on top. Take wooden dowels. I cut mine at an angle at about 4¼ inch. I cut 4 of them. I glue them underneath the seat, glue on more wooden dowels for support on all 4 sides. Cut a leftover piece of the bottle that we can glue on for a footrest, and it's starting to look like a high chair. I wasn't as neat with my glue as I would like, but let's go ahead and glue a cushion, then glue it into the chair, wrapping and gluing over the edge. I made my cushion in 2 parts, so I'm gluing down the seat, then I glue the tray on top. To make another high chair for my mini babies, add a few jars of baby food that we made in a previous video, so the babies have something tasty to eat. Mix a little paint and Mod Podge, add it to one of the trays to make it look like the baby was just fed. We can also cut a small spoon, bend it, and use a dotting tool or the tip of a hot glue gun to try to make the little crater, you know, the part for the spoon. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're just gonna add a little bit of paint anyway to make a baby spoon so we can feed my mini baby. And our jars of baby food can be found in this video. Thank you for joining us while we spent a little time with my mini baby. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram, Fanbase, and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!